Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fazil Ahmed Shams and I live in Gothenburg, Sweden. We have a very big banner of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam, Masih Maud wa Mahdi Maud. His name is Mirza Ghulam Ahmed of Qadian. He claimed that he is the Messiah and Mahdi Maud, who has come to this world and to reform this world. Allah Almighty promised the Masih Maud, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmed, that I shall cause thy message to the corners of the earth. So my viewers and listeners, look and see how Allah Almighty is fulfilling His promise to the promised Messiah. So I am driving this bus today, and my body and soul is full of calamity and pleasure. This is route line 17, goes between the two big areas of Gothenburg. One end is Tuvey and other one is hospital. This is named Ostra Sjukhus. Very heavy passenger line with 29 stops and always full with the passengers. Assalamu alaikum.